Hi, my name is Darshan and I'm an online educator of math and physics. I have 7+ years of tutoring experience in these subjects, including exams like SAT, ACT, and so on. I've worked with over a dozen of edtech companies during this time. From 2021 onwards, I'm working as an independent educator. I have my own website, I run my YouTube channel. I'm also a top-rated freelancer on Upwork. I'm well versed with almost all the international curriculums, including USA, Canada, UAE, Australia, and so on. And I take almost any topic of math and physics, including algebra, geometry, calculus 1, calculus 2, physics honors, advanced placement topics like calculus AB, BC, physics 1, 2, C, and the list just goes on. I'm also a video content creator where I can create online self-paced tutorials on demand. On my channel, I upload one video in every 2 days, so please make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any, and feel free to reach out for any further queries. Thank you.